My recipe for 72-hour sourdough bread. Start with some good starter, flour, whole grain flour, and a little water. Then we'll add some water and salt after it sits a little bit. And you gotta really squish that up to dissolve the salt in there well. It's a sticky mess to begin with, but then we put it in the fridge for about 2 nights. And then we have a nice, more fluffy, pliable dough there. It's still really wet. That's how sourdough is. And I try not to add too much flour because it just toughens it. Then put it in a little basket or bowl, put a little cover or towel on it, and put it in the fridge again. And then we bake the next morning. There we go. Look at that. So a really hot oven for 15 minutes, and then put the temp down a bit, another 25 minutes until it's cooked 210 degrees inside. Best part, cutting into it. How did we do? Amazing.